In the past several years, commercial drones have emerged as the most promising segment of the electronic gadget market. Unfortunately, commercial drones have also become a daily threat on the modern battlefield, in civil aviation, at events and public venues. Traditional physical security measures can no longer provide protection against drones. Luckily, there are effective, high-tech, yet affordable solutions to counter this threat. The Electronic Drone Mitigation System. This device was designed to protect public venues, VIPs, critical infrastructure, and other objects from unauthorized drone flights. Sophisticated yet compact, this device alarms personnel in a matter of seconds about potential drone intrusions.
Drone, unknown threat.
The monitoring system, connected to aerial detectors, alerts the operator on duty about the drone intrusion and location. The workstation is compact, fully portable, and the setup can be customized to meet the requirements of your specific field operations. In less than a minute, operators can be ready for action. Operators point the device in the direction of the threat and press the trigger. Handling the device is as easy as operating a firearm. The target might be miles away, out of sight. The electromagnetic signal blocks the drone's controls and navigation in a fraction of a second. Meanwhile, the drone operator unsuccessfully struggles with the controls. Due to the counter-drone system detection capabilities, the drone operator becomes a target. The drone lands in emergency mode and may be retrieved by security personnel. This device is battle and mission tested, reliable and safe to use. For the bad guys, this means only one thing: they need more drones.